Hello and welcome. My name is Aleš and today I'm here to present you the latest Gorenje Premium Edition tumble dryers. I will show you how we do the magic to your clothes. And don't forget, all our tumble dryers are designed, developed and produced in Europe. To be more precise, they are made in Slovenia. In Gorenje we care about nature. That's why we produce durable, sustainable and efficient tumble dryer machines. All our appliances are tested for 10 years lifespan. We make them sustainable. 95% of our tumble dryer can be recycled and reused. We produce energy efficient appliances. A++ is the best energy efficiency we produce, and we have loadings from 8 to 10 kg for every need. Smart appliances. Who wouldn't want to buy them? We offer you now the smart connected tumble dryer from Gorenje Premium Edition. Connected via Wi-Fi, and if you use Connect Live application, you can make a pair with your washing machine. So besides setting up your tumble dryer via application on your mobile phone, you can also use some special functions which are available in connection with your washing machine. I will mention just one. Once you finish the washing, the tumble dryer will wait for you with proper drying program. Isn't that great? Oops, this can happen to anybody. Shrinking of your clothes. But not if you use nature dry. Usually many of us will just put everything into the tumble dryer, and this can cause shrinking of your clothes and damaging your clothes. So this is where we present you the function Nature Dry. Nature Dry was done in the way that we would like to make drying process same as dry your clothes outside on the balcony, where the temperature is lower, where the clothes can be dried without shrinking, and this is what Nature Dry is doing. Disinfecting your hands or disinfecting your clothes, it's up to you. We offer you super hygiene function on our latest tumble dryers. This super hygiene function is available for all the clothes which are not sensitive to high temperature, like beddings, things for your baby, underwear, towels, whatever not sensitive you can put inside and disinfect those things. So now you can have disinfection on washing machine and on tumble dryer. Great. You don't have to do that anymore. On Gorenje Tumble Dryers Premium Edition, we provided the steam. Why is steam good on tumble dryer? Because if you steam your clothes, you will not have to iron them so much. They will be ready to wear, and you can use steam refresh program, which means that if the clothes are not so dirty, you can steam refresh them instead of wash them. This will save you time and energy, and it will preserve your clothes. So steam is one of the great features which we offer to you. If you have a set of our products, washing machine and tumble dryer from Gorenje Premium Edition line, we offer you a special function which is 2 hours wash plus dry. How we do it? On washing machine you have a fast washing program which can be done in 32 minutes. And then on our tumble dryer you have a fast 89 dry program. Together you can wash and dry your clothes in 2 hours. That's super fast. Modern life is busy and full of needless complications. At Gorenje, we believe that not all the things in life should be complex. That's why we make our tumble dryer simple and easy to use. Life simplified. Thanks for watching.
Gorenje. Life simplified.